Okay guys, like I promised in my last video to create a login page, in this video I'll be showing you the login page. I'll be explaining how I created it, and I'll be telling you more about div. And also I had a friend that asked me about Google font, so I decided to add it to the video, how to apply Google font. So let's start. First, let me show you the page. This is the page that I created. So if you look at this page now, you will see that I have a simple login page to describe more about div tag. This here is outside the div. So the div now is this place that is covered with a border, a red border is the div. So I have to center the div so that you guys will not get confused. In my last video, the div covered nearly the whole of the page, so I decided to center the div so that you see that the div is quite different from the body of the web page. Here is the div, and I gave it a background of green, give it a border of red, then wrote in some things here. In my last video I told you that you can put image in div. Like I said, you can put any element in div. Here you can see that it's an input. Here is an input and a button and some other text. So any HTML tag can be inside a div. You just, for you to section what you want to do. Maybe for instance I want to, just the way this is now, if I want to make this login to be by the side of the web page and then put a picture on the other side of the web page, it's with the help of the div that I can do that. I can now push this one to the back, to the side, and then put another div that will contain my image and then put it to this side of the web page. So div is just for you to structure your HTML document. So let me go to my code and show you what I did. So what I did is that in the body I created a paragraph on the body, and then now created the div with a class name of my div. Inside the div I created some labels. For my inputs, I created enter username here, like it is in my enter username here. So I created some label and then an input. Then I made the type to be button. I made the other ones to be text and then password. So this is just my div. Everything is just contained in the div, as you can see, and then a paragraph on the body. Then I now styled it with my style sheet. Okay, I give it small styling so that you can see the particular place that the div is covering. So I gave it a background color, border color, and some padding and margin to center it. So I also centered the logins. Those inputs that I did, I centered all of them with this small code here. Then I removed the text decoration on the login. If you click the login, it will refresh the page. So what does this is the anchor tag. So I removed the text decoration because an anchor tag used to come with a line, just like this login now, to be underlined and it will be in blue. So I removed the decoration. That's why you have this. I have this text decoration none. So then, concerning the Google font, look at what I did. I went to Google font. went to Google font, so I picked a font of my choice, which is this font here. Actually, I don't know the name, but I picked the font. Then I have to copy this link here, this one. I have to copy this link and place it in my HTML. So this is it here. I place it in my HTML. Then I copied this other link, this other one, and then use it to style my CSS. Yes, I placed it here on the body. So if you go to my web page now, you see that this is not the normal font that every other web page has. Let me show you. For instance, if I remove this, if I comment this out and you go to that web page, you see that it's now looking very ugly. So but if I return it back, so if you go back, you see that it's very okay, it's looking very nice. So that's it. That's very simple way of using your div tag to design your web page, and then a way of adding your Google font to your web page. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Share this video. We want to reach more people. Thank you.